Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Decorate with Dana. Today I wanted to share a little bit more of my kitchen decor with you guys. We're going to do a little DIY project of these wreaths I have hanging in front of my window, as well as a couple other things. So let's get started with the DIY project. I went to Michael's and I was looking for 2 wreaths to hang in the window, and they were about almost $30 each, $30 to even $40 all decorated. And yes, I would get 50% off, but I still didn't really want to spend that much money. So I went ahead and thought I could just DIY a couple wreaths to hang in the window. So I picked up these, I think they are 18-inch wreaths from Michael's, and they were on sale for $4 each. And then right here I'm opening up this garland. It said $12.99, but they were 50% off. And then I just grabbed a few of these picks here, the flocked picks, to kind of incorporate the same decor that I had going on with the garland I put above my cabinets. So this is just basically, I'm going to go ahead and wrap the garland around the wreath, kind of tucking it in and getting it to stay in place. And then I'll go ahead and add the picks and the ribbon and show you how I put it in my window. So the one area up at the top is a little bare, but I'm not worried about it. That is where my ribbon is going to go to hang them in the windows. So here I am, I'm just going to hang these up at the window. Sorry for the lighting, the natural light made the camera have to adjust a little. I'm going to go ahead and put the ribbon through the top, open the window, put the ribbon through the top, and then close and lock the window, and that is how I'll get it to stay in place. I made these wreaths for about $12.50 each, so I thought that was a good deal compared to $30 to $40 at Michael's. So I picked up this really adorable rug at Lowe's that I wanted to put in front of my sink. So here's an overview of how the wreaths look and tie in with the coffee bar and the new rug and the garland above the cabinets. So I have this berry garland that I had purchased from Target last year, and I just wanted to wrap it around this light here in the sitting area, the eating area of the kitchen. So now I'm going to take this Merry Christmas banner that I had hauled in my haul about a week ago. I will link that down below if you didn't see it. And I'm going to go ahead and hang that in front of the, or above the sliding glass door in the kitchen. Now I want to make an arrangement to put on my island. I'm using this tray that's from the Hearth and Hand line at Target, and I've got this tin pitcher that I purchased at Hobby Lobby in the fall time. And I'm just using my lamb's ear, cotton stems, and these berry picks to make an arrangement. And then I'll add a couple other things to the tray and place it on my island as a centerpiece. So here's how the tray turned out. I really like it. I may add some fairy lights, but otherwise I think it adds a nice touch to the island. Here's one last look at how the kitchen has come out so far. The banner and the garland, the wreaths, the rug, and the coffee station all seem to tie in well together, as well as the tray on the island. I have just some more countertop decorating to do. I won't be doing a ton because I don't like the countertops too cluttered. So, but you will see that final reveal in the home tour that I'm going to post just before Thanksgiving. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And please leave me any suggestions of other videos, Christmas related or otherwise, that you would want to see from me. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.